So children, let us move to the next sum on profit and loss. If the selling price of 10 pence is equal to cost price of 14 pence, find the gain percent. So let us go according to the sentence. So here whenever selling price is equal to cost price, we will always write cost price first, children. So here according to the question, it says the cost price of 14 pence is equal to selling price of 10 pence. So I have written the statement in the form of equation here, 10 pence. Okay. Now cost price of 14 pence is selling price of 10 pence. First let us find out what is the cost price of 1 pen. So let us assume the cost price of 1 pen is X. Okay. If the cost price of 1 pen is X, what will be the cost price of 14 pence? It will be cross multiplied 14 into X, 14x. So the cost price of 14 pence is 14x. And this is equal to this. That means selling price of 10 pence is also 14x. Okay. So I am writing here cost price of 1 pen. Let us assume it to be X. So cost of 1 pen is X. So cost price of 14 pen is 14x. And selling price of 10 pence is same because they are equal. But whenever we are learning, whenever we are doing profit and loss, we are finding out what was the profit, what was the loss. We see to it that the quantity and the matter is same. Like one apple if I am buying for 10 rupees, then I have to show that I am selling that apple for 20 rupees and making a profit. I cannot tell I bought a apple for 10 rupees and I am selling a pen for 20 rupees. What is the profit? That is not the case. So in profit and loss, the matter and quantity should be same. The object and the quantity should be same. But here selling price of 10 pence is there. Whereas here cost price of 14 pence is there. So the quantity is not same. So first let us equate the quantity. Because it is selling price of 10 pence, I will also find out what is the cost price of 10 pence. So I am equating, okay, keeping the equation same. So if 1 pen is X, so what will be the cost price of 10 pence? 10 into X, that is 10x. So here now I have got the object and the quantity same. Now I can work out. So I have got selling price of 10 pence and I have got cost price also of 10 pence. Hope you understood, children. Now from here what can you see? Which is more? Selling price is more, cost price is less. So whenever selling price is greater than cost price, we make a profit. So selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. Selling price is 14x, cost price is 10x. So our profit is 4x. But they have asked us find gain percent. Gain means profit. Profit is also same, gain is also same. So what is the gain percent or profit percent? Gain percent is profit percent. So profit by CP into 100. What is P? P we got as 4x. What is CP? Now here we have to take the same quantity. So we will take this 4 by 10x into 100. X gets cancelled. 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. So our gain percent is 4 into 10, 40%. Hope you understood, children. Then now let us go to the next sum. So here now they are telling the selling price of 18 oranges is equal to cost price of 16 oranges. Find loss percent. Sometimes they will not tell you loss percent or gain percent. Find gain or loss. So with the help of cost price and selling price, you should determine whether it is a profit or a loss. So now I told you in the previous sum, first we will write CP. So cost price of 16 oranges is equal to selling price of 18 oranges. Okay. So now straight away we cannot go for 16 orange. First we should know what is the cost price of 1 orange. So let us assume that the cost price of 1 orange is X. So cost price of 16 oranges will be how much? So if you cross multiply, you will get 16 into X, 16x. So cost price of 16 oranges is 16x, and that is equal to selling price of 18 oranges. That means this is also 16x. So let us write here cost price of 1 orange is x, and that's why cost price of 16 oranges 16x, which is equal to selling price of 18 orange. Now here again the quantity is not same, the object is same, orange. So first here selling price of 18 oranges is there. So I should find out the cost price also of 18 oranges, right? So if 1 orange is x, then what will be 18 oranges? It will be 18x. So now we have got the quantity and the object to be same. Cost price of 18 oranges is 18x. Selling price of 18 oranges is 16x. Now which is bigger here? Cost price is bigger than selling price. So it is a case of loss. So once you know it is a loss, so you will use the formula of loss. CP minus SP is equal to loss. 18x minus 16x, you got loss as 2x. Now what is loss percent? Always calculated on cost price. So loss percent is loss by CP into 100, which is 2x by 18x into 100. X cancels, 2 1s are, 2 9s are. So your answer is 100 by 9, or you can work it out like 9 1s are, if you divide 100 by 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, then again 9 1s are 9, or you can write 11 1 by 9% is your loss. Hope you understood, children. If you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends. Bye.